Hi everyone! Today on Affordably Crafty, I have my biggest yarn haul ever from the Spin Right tent sale. 86 pounds of yarn delivered to me from Canada. Huge boxes, they're names. Let me undo the packing slip and we're gonna get started. If you want to see more things like this, awesome yarn hauls, DIYs, yarn dyeing, and more corners of the craft universe, and also looking to stretch your craft dollar, please subscribe to my channel, Affordably Crafty, and like the video and share. See you in a few minutes. Okay, I've opened up my first box. Again, this is all from the Spin Right factory outlet in Canada's tent sale. Now, usually this is only available if you go to Listowel Canada, but because of everything that's going on this year, they opened it up to internet orders and phone orders. So a lot of these items were buy 3, get 1 free. So keep that in mind. So let's see what we got. Let's dive in here. This first one's 29 pounds. Let's see, I've got 2 balls of Bernat Maker Big. So this is really smooth. A lot of these yarns I haven't used before. So this is, what is the color on this one? Volcanic Variegated, Jumbo 7. So I like the kind of fiery type colors here. This is really comfortable, like really squishy and nice. I might make a pillow out of this for my daughter. She loves squishy nice things. So it's machine washable and dryable, 250 grams, 66 yards. So there's 2 in this bag, but I do like that color. What else do we have in here? Bernat Home Bundle. Ooh, I like this color. This is the one that has the acrylic and the homespun and pipsqueaks, and there's another one here. What is it? Oh, the blanket yarn. So this one is called Denim. That's a good color for that. One of my whips, I've been working on a pillow, so I might make a pillow for my daughter's room out of this, or my son's room, I'm not sure. Or do something else with it. What have you guys made out of Bernat Home Bundle? Let me know. So there's 1, 2, 4 of these in here. So 2 packages of 2. And again, these were buy 3, get 1 free. So you're going to see lots of multiples of 4. What else have we got here? Oh, we've got some tent sale worsted. So this is stuff that's only available at the tent sales in Listowel, normally. And, oh, that's kind of soft, actually. Well, I'm happy with this. This is what this looks like. This is 100% acrylic, a medium 4, the color Sable. And there is 197 yards in each ball. And these were sold by the bag. And in each bag is 6 skeins. So that is actually really, really soft. I'm very happy with that. Then I've got another tent sale worsted. This one is the color Bronze. Ooh. I like that. It's like a soft gold. The same as the last one, but these 2 might go well together. Oh, those would be cute together. I like that. So, and again, this comes 6 to a bag. And this was the color Bronze. Ooh, another tent sale worsted. Ooh, I like this color too. I made good choices on the worsted ones here. So this is again 6 to a bag, and this is the color Amber. So I went with like browns and golds for this. This is actually a lot warmer color than is showing up on the phone right now. But ooh, so soft and lovely. I'm just making a humongous pile next to me. Oh, some brown tent sale worsted. So this one is the color Mocha. Mocha mocha. That's really nice. Dark chocolatey brown. Good name for that, mocha. And again, 6 to a bag on that one. What else have we got in here? Oh, we got 2 more of the volcanic variegated Maker Bigs. Got some Bernat Maker home decor in a nice green color. This is the color green pea. So that's pretty. This is a soft cotton. Not as soft as that Bernat Maker, but nice. This is cotton. What is this? 72% cotton, 28% nylon. So it does have a little bit of a stretch. And it is a 5 bulky weight, and there is 317 yards on here. So there's 2 in this bag. So I got 4 of those. Again, a lot of these are buy 3, get 1 free. Ooh, that's a much bigger ball than I thought it was going to be. So Bernat Softy Chunky. Like I said, a lot of these I haven't tried before, so that's why I got some of them. This is a super bulky in the color Misty Grape, and it is 431 yards. Bernat Softy Chunky, and it is 100% acrylic. I like this color. Purple's one of my favorite colors. So this is nice. So I've got 2 of those in here, and on the website you could mix and match colors as long as it was the same type of yarn. So then here's 2 more Softy Chunkies in the colorway Velvet Teal. So these are the 2 colors I got in Bernat Softy Chunky. What else do we have in here? Ooh. My first time using Bernat Blanket Stripes. So I've got 4 of these. Ooh, that is soft. Ooh. I do like that. This is the color Harvest. This was definitely my favorite color in this, by a long shot. I was really excited that this was still left when they called me back. And this is 220 yards, 100% polyester, and it's a bulky 6. Super bulky 6, sorry. But this is really soft. I like this before. I haven't used this. So I got 4 of those, because again, buy 3, get 1 free. But I love those autumnal colors. What else do I have in here? Let's see, this is... Oh my goodness, so many fun things. So good. Bernat Pop Bulky in the colorway Cafe Au Latte. So it's got some like vanilla and light taupe colors. This is a super bulky 6, 100% acrylic, 147 yards. So I've never used Bernat Pop Bulky before either. So this will be a new yarn for me. And there's 4 of those. I'm just going to start piling these back in here. Now we've got some regular Bernat Pop. So I think these came 3 to a bag, if I remember correctly. So the first one I got is this one, and I think I got 3 bags of it. Ooh, get off there. This is the colorway Purple Morning. This is a 4-weight, 100% acrylic, 280 yards. So this has got some really nice purples. So there's a purple, a gray, a darker purple, then this lighter violet, this color, and then that color. These are some of my favorite colors, so that's why I got so many of these. And then there's 3 packages, or sorry, 8 of, because I got 2 free. Paradise Lost. I thought my daughter Skylar would really like something made out of this colorway. It's got purples and greens. That was really nice. Those are both Bernat Pops. So I am going to pack this stuff back in, And then I will be opening up the next box. Okay, I'll see you in a minute. Hey, back with box number 2 of 3. So what have we got in this one? First box was pretty awesome. Ooh. Oh, I like that colorway. Reds and Bernat Home Bundle. The colorway Cream Burgundy. So again, this has the 4 different kinds of yarn together. And this is 53% acrylic, 47% polyester, 207 yards, and it's a super bulky 6. I got 1, 2 that I can see up here. I got, a new to me yarn, Bernat Blanket Big. This really is big. I've never seen this in person before. So, this is humongous. It takes a 19mm hook. I guess I'm going to have to get a 19mm hook. I don't have one of those. So this is the color moss green. And that is a humongous. Not lying when they say big. It's really soft. It's a 7 giant jumbo. I think this is the first 7 I've actually owned, because that is quite big. 32 yards and a thing. Let's see. They have some patterns on here. They have a basket that takes 3 balls. This one has a big time poof. Takes 5 balls. I don't know how many of these I've ordered. So, here's 2 more of that burgundy home decor. Home bundle. These blanket bigs back. These are so huge. They're so soft. I like those. So nice. What else do we have in here? Ooh, I see sparkle. Bernat Premium in the color Lilac Sparkle. So I love sparkly yarn. And as we've previously discussed, my favorite color is purple. So, yeah, that's right up my alley. Lilac Sparkle. Big fan of that. So this is 97% acrylic, 3% metallic, and 258 yards. Ooh. So I got 1, 2, 3. And that's a 4 weight. I love this. I have some party yarn that can go with this that I got at Job Lot, I think, when I did that haul. Oh, I got 4 of these. Shocker, because one of them was free. Let's see what else we have in here. We have, what's this? More Bernat Premium. This is the color Ether Blue. Oh, that's an interesting name. This is kind of like a blurple. Kind of a little blue purplish. I hope that's coming across on there. But that's nice. Again, my first time using Bernat Premium also. So I'm trying a lot of new yarns here. I'm going to have to do some yarn review videos once I get through these. Oh, here's some more Bernat Premiums. This is the color English Rose. I thought my sister-in-law would really like this color in something, because pink, my least favorite color. Personal preference. If you like pink, I'm not going to judge you. But I think that my sister-in-law will like this. So a lot of this stuff was bought for holiday gifts. What do we got here? Bernat Baby Sport. Okay, I've never used this one before either. I haven't actually used Sport Weight either. So this is the color Dark Jade. This is a big ball. It says it's tested for harmful substances. Because this is a baby yarn. That's nice. I like that. It won a Women's Choice Award. Oop, hold on. I gotta go check my dye pot. I'll be right back. Sorry about that. Currently have some avocado pits on the stove that I've been simmering for a couple hours now. 2 hours? So that was my timer just to go and check it. So I put it back on for an hour. Sorry, that's coming in a future dye discovery video. So anyways, I was saying, Bernat Blanket Sport. This is a pretty big ball. Made in Canada. And this is Whoa, 1,256 yards per ball. That's pretty big. Machine washable and dryable, and it's a 3 weight. So this is awesome. I don't know if I'll make a baby blanket out of it. I was thinking like holiday, because look at that cool green. So I have 2 of this, and then, oh, I got 2 in this colorway too. This is the same yarn, but it is the color Marigold. That looks nice. Actually, those go good together. Those are my elementary school colors, FYI. Not the reason I picked them, but exactly the same. So cool. So yeah, that's a lot of yardage. Holy nutter. And then, oh, here's another Bernat Premium in Ether Blue. And, ooh. So this was one of the ones I was most excited about. They had some peaches and cream. There was an oopsie color that was only $3 for a cone. Now, you guys know that peaches and cream is usually like over 10 bucks for a cone. So this is the color Sea Breeze. I honestly really don't see anything wrong with this, do you? Looks perfectly fine to me. That will crochet up into some nice things for my kitchen. Dishcloths and towels and pot holders. This is going to be really nice. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 of these. Because again, it's buy 3, get 1 free. So that's $18 for 8 of these. Yeah, hello, how are you? This is a medium 4 made in Canada from 100% US cotton. And I said it's the colorway Sea Breeze, and this has 706 yards on it. So, that's going to be some fun stuff. I needed some more cotton anyways. If they had more colors, I would have gotten them, but that was the only color they had. Whoa. Yeah, so these definitely have the right name, Monster Ball. I maybe should have only gotten 1 of these in each color, but I couldn't pass up the buy 3, get 1 free. I'm a sucker for a really good sale. So here is the tent sale Monster Balls. These first 2 are eucalyptus. Hello. I mean, that's huge. Let's look at that in comparison to a Bernat Premium. It looks like a little baby skein. And this is like a jumbo skein. So big. I don't know why I'm doing different voices. I have young kids, pardon me. And I work with kids for a living. So yeah, that's amazing. How many yards are in this? Ooh. 2,024 yards in this. So I have 4,000 and almost 50 yards of this in eucalyptus. Wow, that's pretty cool. Made in Canada with imported fiber. And it's 100% acrylic, right? Medium 4. Machine washable and dryable. So I got 2 in eucalyptus and 2 in this complementary color. Ooh, 2 of these. This is grass. So I thought that these 2 would go good together. Oh, what I am going to make with like 10,000 yards? I don't even know what you can make with that much. Get thee to the Ravelry, huh? If anybody has any ideas what I can make for a big project with this, please comment down below and let me know, because this is going to be an adventure. So I am going to pack this box up, and then I will be back in a minute to unbox box number 3. So be right back.